Have you ever wondered what a model means in the world of machine learning? It's a fundamental concept, but often sounds complex. Let's start with a simple analogy to build our intuition. Think about a coffee machine. You put in coffee beans, the machine processes them, and out comes a delicious cup of coffee. The coffee machine itself, with its internal mechanisms and rules for making coffee, is like a model in this scenario. Now, let's refine that idea. Inside the coffee machine are a set of instructions and mechanisms that define how it turns beans into coffee. Similarly, think of a recipe book. It takes specific ingredients, applies a set of instructions or rules, and transforms them into a delicious dish, like a cake. The recipe, with its precise steps, is essentially a model for creating that dish. In machine learning, a model is fundamentally a mathematical representation or an algorithm that takes an input and produces an output. It's like that recipe or coffee machine, but instead of physical ingredients or beans, it works with data. We can think of it as a sophisticated set of rules or a function, denoted as phi x, that maps inputs to desired outputs. What makes a machine learning model special is its ability to learn. Unlike a fixed coffee machine or a static recipe, an ML model doesn't start with all the rules predefined. Instead, it learns these rules by being fed vast amounts of data. It analyzes these examples, looking for patterns and relationships between the inputs and their corresponding correct outputs. This process of learning from data is what allows the model to become smart and useful. Let's visualize how a model learns. Imagine we have data points on a graph, perhaps showing house size versus price. Our goal is to find a line that best represents this relationship. Initially, our model, represented by a line, might be far off. But through a process called training, the model repeatedly adjusts its internal parameters. It tries to minimize the error or distance between its predictions and the actual data points, iteratively improving until it finds the optimal line that best fits the data. The adjustments we saw, the line making, are controlled by the model's internal parameters. For a simple line, these are its slope m and its y-intercept d. B. Training is essentially the process of finely tuning these parameters, like turning knobs, until the model's predictions align as closely as possible with the training data. Once these parameters are set, the model is considered trained and ready to be used. After a model has been trained, its purpose is to make predictions or decisions on new, unseen data. Using our house price example, if a new house with a specific size comes along, we can feed that size into our trained model. The model, using the rules it learned from all the previous data, will then predict the most likely price for that new house. This is the power of a machine learning model, generalizing from past experience to make informed guesses about the future. Machine learning models are everywhere, powering many of the technologies we use daily. Consider image classification. When you upload a photo to social media, a model might automatically detect if it contains a cat or a dog. The model was trained on thousands of labeled images, learning the visual patterns associated with each animal. Now, when it sees a new image, it applies those learned patterns to predict what's in the picture. This is a powerful demonstration of a model's ability to interpret and categorize complex data. Not all models are simple lines. Depending on the complexity of the problem and the data, models can range from straightforward linear equations to incredibly intricate neural networks with millions of parameters. A simple model might miss subtle patterns, while a more complex one can capture highly nuanced relationships. Choosing the right level of complexity is a key challenge in machine learning, ensuring the model is powerful enough without becoming overly complicated. Ultimately, a machine learning model is a powerful tool, built and trained to solve a specific problem. Whether it's predicting stock prices, recommending movies, detecting fraud, or translating languages, each model is designed with a particular objective in mind. They are not magic, but rather sophisticated statistical and computational constructs that learn from data to automate complex decision-making and pattern recognition tasks. Let's quickly recap the key points we've covered. A machine learning model is essentially a mathematical representation or an algorithm, like a function phi(x). Its unique ability is to learn patterns and relationships directly from data through a process called training. Finally, once trained, its purpose is to make informed predictions or decisions when presented with new, unseen information. These three pillars define what a machine learning model is and how it operates. Understanding what a model is, how it learns, and how it predicts is your first step into the fascinating world of machine learning. These models are not just abstract concepts, they are the engines driving innovation across countless industries, helping us solve complex problems and make sense of the vast amounts of data generated every day. The future of technology is deeply intertwined with the continued development and application of these powerful learning models.